again. I just joined a new server.
Hi guys. Do you guys like the suitcases? Do you guys like them?
Yeah, bro.
I
How
can
do you have so much?
barely move.
I have mods. I'm a modder.
Bro.
Spawn full shredders.
Yes.
You guys like them? You want
them.
spawn? That's rubbish, man.
They're
Get that out of
shredders.
here.
They're
Yo,
shredders.
can I get a golden shotgun? Can I get all the golden shotgun, please? Can I get a golden
No.
shotgun?
No. Oh, stop exploding! Hey, keep exploding or I'll have to lag out your game. Keep exploding or I'll have to lag out your game.
Bro, wait. Whoa.
Oh my.
This game is cool. This game. I love this game.
Oh,
Join me.
it's so laggy.
Everyone's just dying, bro. Everyone's just honestly
No,
just
everybody
dying.
grab
Like less than
one.
seconds, bro.
Here's the code, guys.
Like watch this,
server as
watch.
well.
Okay, where?
Can't believe it's
Where
happening
can I get
again.
someone?
723945.
Right there. There he goes. Oh, he didn't die. Stupid. Ah, I got over there.
Hey, keep shooting RPGs, I'll just ban you.
Good. This is my chance to get stuff for my viewers. My grappler won't work.
Got a little health ping.
Yeah.
Yo, I'm your bodyguard. I'm your bodyguard.
Where did it go? It's missing. Wow.
What the fuck?
Let me try to put my bag away.
Yeah, okay, you guys like my red flashlight? You guys like my red flashlight? I have such a cool red flashlight, right?
Yeah,
guys?
I don't know if you went for it.
Darn it, that no, it doesn't work.
It's gonna be hard.
Ow! Stop it, nigga! Hey, shut your bitch ass up!
You freaking flew! You freaking flew!
Oh my god.
Oh, I love this. I love this no PvP server, bro. I can just kill anyone.
There.
Did he die? Did he die? Did he die? He died!
No!
He died! Let's go! He died! Let's go! He died!
He got it before me.
Stupid red monkey.
Ah.
Oh, I just love it, dude. I love it. I love it. I love it.
Oh my god.
Put this in.
I can't get them.
My red flashlight, bro. Goody goody goo. Goody goody goo.
No,
There's someone back there, bro. I can see someone's back there.
We're gonna go catch them.
Oh my god.
God, there's a spider. A spider just crawled out.
Hey, that one. Will be.
Boom. I don't think anybody was ready for that. Dude, this is so fun. I honestly love this actually. This is so fun.
Bro, shut the fuck up, bro! Nasty, shut up, nigga!
Oh, can I have one?
Holy bro.
Hello.
Must be VSL.
Yo, sir, can I have one of those? Oh my fuck.
Oh, nah,
stealing
boy,
today is
hey
top
guys,
tier.
I have 2 flating
Does anybody want to come with me
Wait,
to
Bro, I
I
cannot
have
stop
flare. Who wants to get flared? Wait, can I have that? Can I have that? Give me it.
Nah,
Shut
man,
up.
no.
No. Let's go. Okay. If you get me,
I already gave them all out. All out.
if you get me, you can have me.
Yo, can I have another suitcase?
I already gave them all out.
Hey, come here.
I already gave them all out.
What? But that's my first ever suitcase.
He actually.
Bye Goodbye, guys.
My
Thank you for
dog
watching.
isn't